A roofer in Westminster says the phone's ringing off the hook, but not because of Monday's hailstorm.
It's actually because of what he's offering. You let him restore your roof, and when he's done, you'll get a gun. Tom Mustin live with the story that is all new tonight at 6. Tom?
Karen, I got to tell you, you can't make this kind of stuff up. Now, the gun we're talking about is an AR-15 rifle. The company is getaroofgetagun.com, and they say, like the AR-15, their roofs are built by Americans for Americans. And tonight, the business owner tells me his business is through the roof.
James Webb showed off the star-spangled vehicle promoting his skyrocketing roofing company.
It's a giant flag.
A year ago, Webb changed the name of his Westminster company from Weatherproof Roofing to getaroofgetagun.com.
Because there's so many roofing companies in Colorado, there's no way to stand apart.
To generate business, Webb offered customers a free AR-15 with every completed roof.
It's a polarizing gun. If you're a red-blooded American, you've served our country, or you're in the police or something like that, you get it. If you're a liberal on the other side and you need a safe space, then you also get it.
The response was overwhelming.
In 2 weeks, we had 200 people sign up.
Webb comes from a family with a long military history, and he is unapologetically patriotic. He's fielded some angry calls from people offended by his controversial ad campaign.
You're giving away guns, you're the reason our country is so terrible and all this thing, and, you know, we should send you to North Korea.
I was very skeptical.
Dwayne Dalton had rave reviews for the company.
Even if it wasn't a gun involved, truthfully. The quality of the work that he did was superior.
Welcome words for an entrepreneur who has a new lease on life thanks to the red, white, and blue and black.
I just like being a part of helping homeowners get their house back together. And they get a gun out of it. I mean, how do you go wrong with that?
And we did some checking. The Better Business Bureau gives this company an A+ rating. And here's how the gun part works. Once your roof is finished, you get a voucher. You then go to the Centennial Gun Club. They do a background check. If that follows through, then they hand you your gun. Now, the owner says business is doing so well, he's actually moving into Texas because it's a place that, according to him, has a lot of hail and a lot of guns. We wish him the best. We're live in Denver tonight. Tom Mustin, CBS 4 News.
Be a perfect match. Thank you, Tom. The U.S.